Hi everyone, in this video I will show you TikTok zero view problem fix. So actually there are at least 5 reasons why you might be experiencing a zero views problem on TikTok, along with possible fixes. Number one, it could be a new account or content review. TikTok often reviews content from new accounts or new posts, which can delay view counts. Fix. Be patient. Views might appear after TikTok finishes reviewing your video. Consistently post quality content to build trust with the algorithm. Number two, violation of community guidelines. Videos that violate TikTok's community guidelines may get shadow banned, resulting in zero views. How to fix? Ensure that your content adheres to TikTok rule by reviewing their guidelines. Remove or edit any videos that might be in violation. Number three, low engagement history. If your previous content had low engagement, TikTok's algorithm might deprioritize your videos. How to fix this? Focus on creating more engaging and shareable content that encourages likes, comments, and shares. Use trending sounds, hashtags, and challenges. Number four, hashtag overload or irrelevant tags. Using too many or irrelevant hashtags can confuse the algorithm and limit exposure. How to fix? Use 3 to 5 relevant hashtags, including popular ones that relate to your content, but don't overdo it. Number five, poor video quality. Low quality videos, blurry visuals, poor lighting, etc., might not be promoted by the algorithm, causing fewer views. How to fix? Improve your video quality by using good lighting, clear visuals, and a steady camera to make your content more attractive to viewers. These reasons can contribute to the zero views problem on TikTok, but by addressing them, you will increase your chances of visibility. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. If you want us to create another tutorial, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.